Hello again, Stephen O'Sullivan from Trent Driving School, and for this video we're going to talk about how to get these faster, sooner. Okay, so everyone wants their Ps. They don't want to have to go and do the 120 hours. They don't want to wait the average 2 years. We see a lot of our learner drivers taking 2 years, even more, to get that freedom, get the license, and start driving. So the two things you can do right now to speed up this progress. Now in New South Wales, we know that you've got to hold your license for 12 months. Can't really speed that up. But what do we know? Most learner drivers don't get the hours up in that 12 months. So here's how you can do it. The first thing is 10 lessons with a driving school, 10 lessons with Trent. We can put 30 hours in your logbook. And obviously you're going to become a better driver as a result. You're going to have more chance to pass your driving test. The second one, and it's almost giving away hours, is the Safer Drivers course. You come and do this course with us, you pay $140 and we put 20 hours in your logbook. So right there, we've got 50 hours that we didn't have, and you can be sure if you do those, you plan to do those sooner rather than later, you're going to be getting those Ps faster and you're out there driving. See you out on the road.